It is my pleasure to introduce to you Keynote Speaker Hub's latest innovation, the 5.0 same-day interview software. This revolutionary platform is set to transform the way industry experts, corporate event planners, employers, and organizers connect and collaborate. In today's fast-paced world, finding the right talent quickly and efficiently is more critical than ever. Our 5.0 software does just that, elevating the hiring process to new heights. Candidates can now seamlessly upload their documents and complete video interviews all on the same day. This not only saves time, but also allows recruiters and employers to make informed decisions based on real-time interactions. This tool is designed to reduce the heavy lifting for both candidates and recruiters, providing a streamlined, efficient, and insightful hiring experience. With Keynote Speaker Hub's 5.0 software, we're not just connecting people, we're building the future of industry expertise. Thank you for being part of this exciting journey with us. Let's continue to elevate the way we work together, one interview at a time.